on my way to the airport because I am going to Europe. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm on my way to the airport and this is the start of my trip and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be giving you tips, advice, showing you an inside look, so stay tuned. So if anyone's wondering, I travel with this bag. I don't have to pay for it because it's considered a personal item. And I think I have like 5 to 7 outfits in there. So I'm pretty set, I'm not gonna lie. It's like deja vu. I was just here. It's a great day to fly. It's super hot and I'm going somewhere cold. And this time I used my known traveler number, so I shouldn't have an issue with going through TSA. Bye. On the way to my gate. Okay, this is crazy. So there's this convenience store in the airport. Before you get in, you have to scan your card right over there. And then after, you come in here and it's all motion censored. So whatever you get, let's say I get like right an Evian, I take it and it just actually charges my card. How crazy is that? Iceland, baby. We're in Iceland. Say hi.
Iceland, here we come.
I feel like one of the most frustrating things is when you're in another country and you're trying to figure out their transportation system, because this is difficult. Now I'm waiting for the tram. So I'm going to the Opera House. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing a show because it's all sold out, but you get to see the building. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. And that's the Opera House right over there. This place is massive. About to get my leg workout in for the day. I probably should have put sunscreen on because I feel like I'm gonna burn. So pretty out here, oh my goodness. Good morning, it is day 2. Just got some coffee. Headed to the train, I believe. Going to take a cruise on the Fjords. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly because I heard it said, but now it's like... I am not great with this train thing. I keep taking the wrong freaking way. I'm so annoyed. So I ended up coming here during a Pride Fest event, which is very interesting. See, there's so many people. All right, I'm leaving. Anyways, I think I can finally pronounce it correctly. Fjords. Going on a fjord cruise around island hopping, and then we'll see where the day takes us. It's a little city hall. Look at the beautiful flowers. So I'm waiting for my ferry, and I found this cute little spot. I'm on the ferry. I'm gonna go island hopping now. We'll see how it goes. Just chilling. So we're jumping in there first. All right. Oh, it's so cold. Whew. This is the sauna. Just got done at the sauna. It was amazing. Met a friend. Okay. Anyways, I'm on a journey this morning, hiking these hills, getting a good workout in, which is good. This statue is called the Dilemma. I love this little adventure. Oh, it's always hard to film when you're climbing. If I was a statue, I would want to be a statue such as a statue, because look at the view. Even though statues can't see. I mean, what a beautiful place for someone to come watch me. Okay, this is a strange one. There's underpants hanging. Like this is a sculpture. To me, it looks like a penguin bird. Sorry, correction. That was a Eurasian magpie. Learn something new every day. I'm kind of interested. What kind of animals do they have in Norway? Let's look it up. So the animals they have in Norway include moose, polar bear, whale, reindeer, wolf, puffins, brown bear, Arctic fox, white-tailed eagle, wolverine, sea eagle, lynx, hares, Norwegian London hounds, looks like a dog, Norwegian forest cat. This girl looks so real. These two guys are walking, and I thought this was like their mom or something. Watch, ready, 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 ready. This is so cool. my luggage got flagged, but still got through TSA in like 10 minutes, so it wasn't bad. I'm headed to my gate now, and then I fly out. And just like that, my trip is done. Sad.